But where are you going? I'm not going right now. The medicine's not ready.
I'm not going right now.
William!
I'm not even inside.
Anthony, come here!
What?
Get in here!
What?
You need to clean up all your stuff.
Yeah. See if I can use it. Let's see what my angel wants to do.
You see her stomach?
Who?
Look at Patch's belly. There's something wrong with her.
Mom, you.
You better not have nothing on in your room. CVS calls will go. They said it'd be about an hour. It's only been a half an hour.
Look, he's playing look at his thing about playing this morning.
Well, honey. Oh, he loves that. He plays with it every day. That's like kids, and he dares the rest of the cats to play with it. That's what's funny. Watch Miss Kitty. You better be nice.
Hey, Mrs.
See,
Kitty.
makes him quit. He wants to play with it. Now here comes Callie.
Where's Callie?
Callie gonna play?
Patrice, what are you doing? Oh, Mom.
Patches, are you playing with the mouse?
What was that?
Right.
Oh,
Patches, funny girl.
that was cute.
Man,
Hey.
it's late already today.
What?
3 o'clock. I thought I had 20 minutes.
What? Who is it, my dad?
20 left in my purse. Jiminy Christmases. Well, what happened to that 20 I had? Well, I don't have any more money.
Mom, hurry, look.
You're kidding me. Are you videotaping that?
Yes. YouTube, have you ever seen a dog play with a darn cat toy?
She thinks she's a cat.
Oh my god.
Here comes Callie.
Oh my god, Patrice, what? There's something wrong with my dog. I think. Look at this.
I've been watching her. Weird. She's a cat dog.
Yeah, sorry.
Patches, why are you playing with that mouse for, honey?
I have no idea what's going into Pat says lately.
Patches, I think needs a head check. Look at Ashley, watch her.
Where's Ashley?
Over here on the couch, look at her, just watch her. What's she doing, Ashley? Look at Coco. Looks like they're all ready to attack her. What are you doing, my Joe? What, Miss Kitty? Oh, there's May. Did that dog get your mouse, girls and boys? Go get it. Look at Miss Kitty. She's pissed. Go get that old mouse. Come on, give me some lovins. Come here. Come here, pretty girl. Mom's
Patrice.
black eyed pea. Get it, so. Let's see what she does. What the hell was that?
What was that noise?
I don't have no clue.
That's going on YouTube where that was. It was
Here,
like,
guys. Snuggles. Get it.
oh. Oh no. Okay, if you want to know where I get that, I get that from this a donut thing with Bobber.
A donut.
This ripped it, whatever.
Miss Kitty, I'll blister you. Get out of my utility room. Oh, Oh, you're good to lay right there. That's okay. No peeing in there.
Hey, Snugs.
Here in about 15, 20 minutes we'll go. So it should be ready by then. Well, really, with your bank card, we can go get anything to eat. So, dinner's gonna be on you tonight.
Hey.
I don't know what to play with, does he?
Snugs, look up real quick. That's hard to do.
Don't let him eat it.
Don't. Hey.
What's the matter, Ashley?
Don't eat it, though. Hey. There you go. He stuck away. Don't eat the thing of art. Nope.
Don't put your foot on that. He puts that in his mouth, William. Your shoes are dirty. I'm glad to see him playing. Instead of up on the back of the couch or a chair all the time.
I'm glad.
That Snuggles.
I'm surprised that one played with the cat toy.
That was definitely different.
This is going up on YouTube.
I mean, really, a dog chewing on a cat toy? Come on.
Hey, buddy, no. Where's Miss Kitty?
On top of the dryer, I think. Last time I seen her. Don't film that messy room in there. Why you got that on the grid for?
I don't know.
Get that away from him now. He's gonna swallow it, William.
Who?
Snow's gonna end up swallowing that. Don't let him play with it. Those pants, when you get done with them, they're gonna go in the garbage. They're way too long.
Where should I put with this?
Throw it in the garbage. It's too narrow. They could swallow that too easily. Look, William, she's doing it again. The dog is chewing on the mouth.
What the heck?
Don't you eat that, Patch. It's a toy.
I gotta wash my hands real quick. Tomorrow I'm going over to my sister's, so you know.
That's enough. Get that up from the dog, Ashley. It almost looks like the same color she is.
Now explain this. How often do you see a dog play with a cat toy?
That's not cat poo. Dumped off the washing machine onto the washing machine.
I hear it, don't you?
Hear what?
What is that noise?
Is the printer still on? Did I not turn that off? Yeah, turn that off. Turn the printer off. Just push on the bottom there one time. That's all you need. My bird is the kitty over my little food. So good, I love you, Caroline. That's my first flower. Well, I should never love you as much as I do. It's awesome.
Should it be ready by now?
I'm calling.
Patrick's in attack mode. If you keep this up, Patrick, we'll give you a dog toy. That's about it. Like, on Patches.
Oh, that's loud. Can you hear it?
That's a weird music.
Hi, I was wondering if William's prescription's done yet. It probably isn't, but I'm just checking and seeing. William Johnson. 11/18 of 97.
Oh my god, Patches.
Wow, that was fast. There you go. Well, I'll let you go and I'll come and get it. Alright, see you in a little
That's
bit.
about
Bye.
it. Like,
It is done.
subscribe, favorite,
I'll
and
go see you and
comment,
then I'll be
and
ready to go.
brofist.
I gotta go.